everybody, I'm Lorie from Dee's, back with another great kit. This is going to be our little natural bunny wreath kit, and everything that you're going to need is included in the kit. So we have this adorable carrot twig branch that has a nice little assortment of greeneries and sticks. This is really a lot of fun. We have this beautiful white pussy willow branch. Again, these stems are wired and it's just really pretty. And this cute little pick that has a little assortment of greenery and some little sticks on it. Of course, you'll get your ribbons and this cute black and white check carrot. And not to mention your adorable bunny. So let's get started. Now, to start out, I'm going to put my bunny in. I'm going to set him over towards this side. You can position him anywhere you want. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on his ear at the top on the back and a little bit of glue on his bottom. And we're just going to put him right on here. And he'll take a few minutes to set up. So while he's sitting there, we're going to go ahead and take our pussy willow stem. Now when you get these, they'll probably be all squished up in the package. So you just want to go through and open them up and bring them back to life. And I'm going to trim a little bit of this stem off of here. I'm going to dip this in the glue and we're going to put the whole stem in. Just place that in there and then we'll be able to manipulate these stems around to mix them in. Next, we're going to take this adorable carrot stem. We're going to put a little glue on the bottom of that stem and tuck that in right on top. Now you can go back in and take your pussy willow branches and kind of just mix those through. And I love all the fun textures with this bunny. Last but not least, we're going to add just a little more greenery to it. And we have this cute little assorted pick. It's got fern and eucalyptus and some little sticks. So it's a nice little filler piece. And we're going to pop this right in here just to fill in a little more greenery in our wreath. You can bend that, shape that up. We're going to move this carrot forward, get that pop of color in there. And then, of course, just like with all of our kits, your ribbon will be included. Now, I've already taken the time to make up this bow, and we do have our video bows, our videos, goodness, on bows available for you to watch. Remember, it's all about the twisting and the pinching. So all of these ribbons are going to be included in your kit. And you're just going to go in and wire this right around your wreath. I love how that orange just makes those carrots pop. It's just nice and fun. We can perk that up, perk up our stems. Have our tails hanging down there. Get that carrot out. And last but not least, we have this adorable black and white check carrot. I'm going to put a little glue on the bottom of that stem. And we're going to pop that right in. And there you have it. A quick and easy natural bunny wreath. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check us out at shopdeeslouisville.com.